We're going to talk about two topics in ActivInspire Studio. The first one is how to extend a frame or a slide. A teacher requested that some of the students in the back of the classroom can't see the bottom of a slide. So if you have some content here, how do you get the kids in the back to see this part? In other words, you needed to slide it up. There's no scroll bar. What I like to do sometimes is, instead of using the best fit, this option up in the upper right, I like going to fit to width. So even so, you have a scroll bar, but you still can't scroll all the way down. And so to enable that, you have to go up in the menu here to View, Page Extender. And then now you have this new icon here, and now you can click it and slide things up. Okay, so, and it's goes on forever. So as you keep writing, or as you have content, you can keep scrolling. Okay, so the next thing we want to talk about is how do we annotate maybe on a worksheet. Maybe you have a PDF or a Word document worksheet, and you can do this in ActivInspire. So I'm going to import a PDF that I have. It's a where is it at? Here we go. Okay, import. I just accept the defaults. And so it's a math worksheet. And it's a little small right now, so we can zoom in a little bit. Like I said, fit to width. And then I can write on it. Okay. And what's nice about this method is that when you scroll, when the page goes up, the ink goes up with it. Some of you may have used this little button right here, which is Annotate on the desktop. So if I click that, what that allows me to do is, let's say I have this PDF open in Acrobat. You can annotate right on top of it. I don't have to be actually in the ActivInspire Studio on a particular slide. The problem with this is that when I slide the page up, notice the ink does not move with it. So that is why I recommend importing the slide into ActivInspire, because when you do slide, the ink goes with it. Okay, so that is bringing in a extra document or a worksheet and using it on the board in a collaborative